Following an 11-month trial, Scarborough councillor Michael Thompson has been found not guilty of 2 counts of sexual assault. Before leaving the courthouse, Thompson made stunning allegations, insinuating he was set up, and his criminal charges were the result of something politically motivated.
Sexual assault is wrong. Sexual assault happens. I did not sexually assault anyone. And I think it's really important to understand that there are forces, and I'm aware as to who they are, have created this condition and situation where I've had to go through almost 3 years of hell.
The decision to acquit was made by Justice Philip John Brissett, who ruled the Crown failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt Thompson sexually assaulted either of the complainants during a Canada Day long weekend getaway 3 years ago, when the younger women said Thompson took advantage of them sexually. The judge said Thompson was a fairly reliable and relatively credible witness with some concerns, alluding to Thompson's tendency to not answer questions directly. I believe Thompson's firm and clear denial of the accusations, said Justice Brissett, on the first count of sexual assault, relating to allegations he touched one of the women on her breasts and backside while applying sunscreen to her body while on the dock. The judge noted none of the women witnessed the alleged sexual touching. The second complainant said she was blackout drunk when Thompson woke her up in the middle of the night, took her to his room, and forced her to perform a sex act. Justice Brissett described how the woman's intoxication appeared to affect her memory. His lawyer, Leora Shemish, described the accusations made by the women as a witch hunt. Justice Brissett said he found it hard to believe Thompson did not see any of the women intoxicated, questioning Thompson's testimony when he said he had no desire to engage in sexual activity that weekend, calling his actions inconsistent with his testimony. Brissett concluding, however, quote, "There are too many significant reliability concerns from the complainant required to convict Thompson." Thompson said he invited the guests over for a relaxing weekend and did nothing wrong, crying on the witness stand as he defended his reputation.
People who make these claims and allegations, which are not true, but as I understand, there are no consequences associated with it. I think we have to review how those things occur and what action should be taken against people who falsely accuse people of sexual assault and so on. Having had this experience.
Thompson wouldn't say whether this decision will have any effect on his future in politics, including whether he'll run next year. Mike Arsleedy, CTV News, Midland.